Discover the secret to reclaiming your vitality with just one daily spoonful of a powerful natural mixture designed for those over 50. This carefully crafted blend of 6 potent ingredients targets the root causes of aging, boosting muscle strength, energy, testosterone, and libido. Here's what makes this mixture so transformative. 1. Peruvian maca. Known as the fountain of youth, maca adapts to your body's needs, restoring energy naturally. It supports testosterone production in men and balances hormones in women, enhancing libido and overall vitality. 2. Powdered ginger. Ginger's anti-inflammatory compounds, called gingerols, help reduce chronic inflammation, easing joint pain and improving mobility. Many users report significant pain relief within weeks. Naster 3. Turmeric powder. Turmeric's curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory that works like a master switch, reducing pain, improving mobility, and enhancing mental clarity. Ensure you use pure turmeric powder without fillers. Naptra 4. Cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity, providing stable energy throughout the day, and supporting metabolism. It also enhances the effects of other ingredients. 5. Pure cocoa powder. Rich in antioxidants and flavonols, cocoa protects brain cells, improves memory, and boosts mood. Its theobromine content offers gentle stimulation without the crash of caffeine. 6. Often overlooked for older adults, creatine replenishes declining stores, increasing muscle strength, improving cognitive function, and supporting bone and heart health. Studies show it can boost strength by 15% in just 12 weeks. Here's the text to process. How to prepare the mixture. Mix 1 heaping tablespoon of maca powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 heaping tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 heaping tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon 5 grams of creatine powder. Store in a sterilized glass jar in the refrigerator for up to a month. Here's the text to process. How to use. Take 1 heaping tablespoon daily. Add it to lemon juice, yogurt, smoothies, or sprinkle it over fresh fruit. The combination of cocoa and cinnamon makes it delicious and something to look forward to each morning. Here's the text to process. Expected benefits. Week 1, improved energy and mood. With better sleep quality and reduced joint discomfort. Increased strength, mental clarity, enhanced libido, and overall well-being. This natural approach works synergistically to address multiple aspects of aging, from muscle weakness to brain fog, without the side effects of prescription medications. Aging doesn't have to mean declining. This simple daily ritual can help you reclaim your vitality and enjoy life to the fullest. Subscribe for more natural health solutions and share your rejuvenation journey in the comments below.